Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create and add custom header in Shopify. A custom header is a powerful tool that can significantly impact the success of your website or online store. It not only sets the visual tone for your brand, but also improves navigation, enhances user experience, and boosts conversions. By investing in a well-designed custom header, you can create a memorable first impression and establish a strong online presence. Now that you have completed the necessary preparation, let's move on the step-by-step process of adding a custom header to Shopify website. Tap on the online store in the left-hand menu, click on the themes, and select the theme you want to customize. Click the three dots and tap on Edit Code to access the theme editor. Once in the theme editor, locate and click on the Sections folder. Within this folder, you should find the header.liquid file. This file controls the layout and content of your header. Click on it to open it in the editor. With the header.liquid file open, you can now upload and apply your custom header design. Use HTML and CSS to structure and style your header according to your desired layout. You can upload your logo, adjust the header size and position, and customize the menu options to reflect your brand image. Once you have added your initial custom header, there are additional ways to enhance its appearance and functionality. If you want to change the size or position of your header, you can do so by modifying the CSS code in the header.liquid file. Experiment with different values until you have achieved the desired result. Then, to your header and incorporating logo and branding elements. Additionally, consider incorporating other branding elements such as your brand colors and fonts to reinforce your brand image throughout the header design. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.